Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Stitching, where we bring you beautiful and creative embroidery tutorials. Today, we're excited to share with you a stunning geometric embroidery pattern. It's beginner-friendly, yet looks absolutely elegant. If you'd like to try this design, you can download the pattern using the link in the description below. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Your support motivates us to keep creating more amazing tutorials for you. In this tutorial, we're using cotton embroidery floss and embroidery needle linen fabric. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoy stitching this pattern as much as we enjoyed creating it for you. See you in the next video.